wrong position. कौन सा ऑप्शन सेलेक्ट करें पता नहीं चल रहा। आ रहा है ना? हाँ, विजुअल बहुत कम है, अलग बात है। आर्च लिनक्स इंस्टॉल मीडियम विथ स्पीच है, ये चूज़ करते हैं। भाई कहाँ गया? कुछ बटन दिख नहीं रहा है। बगल में दूसरा भी लैपटॉप रख लेते हैं ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए। कुछ ओपन हुआ। डेवलपर फ्रेंडली क्या बोल रहा है? वेलकम टू आर्च लिनक्स। ओके, कुछ लिख रहा है, पता नहीं क्या लिख रहा है। For Wi-Fi, authenticate to wireless network using IC utilities. For mobile broadband, connect with your utilities. Ethernet ऑटोमेटिकली इथरनेट होगा। हम डायरेक्ट नहीं हम डायरेक्ट इथरनेट यूज़ कर लेते हैं। 1 मिनट। किधर गया मेरा इथरनेट केबल? यहाँ है, ये रहा इथरनेट केबल। एक मिनट, कहाँ गया रे? नेट लग गया। Ethernet using after connecting the Ethernet internet, instruction guide can be addressed via the conventional script installation guide। क्या करना होगा इसके बाद? कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं। For Wi-Fi, authenticate to the wireless network for Ethernet database using this automatically. Installation guide can be accessed via मेरा ये ऊपर जाओ तो नीचे आओ। ओके, पता नहीं। NSTA इंस्टॉलेशन गाइड क्या बोल रहा है? करेक्ट स्पेलिंग। ये कौन लैंग्वेज बोल रहा है? JS इज करेक्ट इंस्टॉलेशन गाइड टू। यस, पता नहीं क्या होगा। ये क्या हुआ? पता नहीं, कुछ हो रहा है। no. RGB key atom feed package from Normal use writer auto return activate. Okay. इंस्टॉलेशन बाद विजिट ठीक है ओके ब्लैक एरो से ये होता होगा ना नो आइडिया क्या क्या है ओके यूज एरो की टू मूव द फॉर क्यू फॉर क्विट करना क्या है इसका पता नहीं लोकलेस एपीआई apps which one should I choose oh no oh god I don't know to choose set the console keyboard layout and font okay the default console key map is US okay then why should I worry about it where is it and console font okay verify the boot mode okay cat SYS forward slash firmware slash EFI slash FW PLAT FOR underscore size no such file at the moment the command that then system may be booted in BIOS and okay if your system did not boot in mode desire your BIOS if the system did not boot in the mode you desire your EFI or BIOS refer to the motherboard manual ensure your network interface is listed enable IP ओके मेरा आईपी एड्रेस ऑनलाइन जा रहा है ओके बाय बाय अननोन मोड डिफॉल्ट मोड ओके सबसे पिंग 8.8.8 ओके 0.8 oh internet is connected okay bye bye how do I stop this ping what the heck oh. update the system clock where is pre-installation installation select the mirror okay what is this oh no some says it is very easy and I don't know I don't even know what I'm doing right now manual any online Installation guide. Installation guide. Okay. Where is? Time, that's it here. Command not point. Time, date, CTL. It is okay, whatever it is. Main installation. F disk dash list. F disk dash list. 931 gigabyte. I have to choose which one. NVMe 238 gigabyte. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Documentation. MJ Kistra. Documentation very good. F disk / day. Where is day? Slash NVMe 0. What is a disk name? 0 and 1. Okay. And 1. Okay. Changes will remain in memory only until you decide to write them. Be careful before using the write command. Okay. Command. Now press the following command. G for enter. Yeah. Created a new one. Okay. And partition. Oh, why do I created new GPT server? Now press the following command when I writes enter. And partition number 1 to 28. Oh no. Part selector. Okay. Last selector. Default is okay. Do you want to remove signature? Yes or no? What? I will go with default. Yes. The signature will be removed by write command. Oh, what is write command? Disk mounting. Oh, no. For the file system, I have chosen between. It is most known for its copy on write features, which enables to make system snaps. Okay. mkfs.fact. for help. Do you want to remove the signature? Okay. Disk level type GPT. Okay. Oh no. I will watch another YouTube video channel for tutorial on my another laptop, which will help me to uh, fast forward installation process because I am totally new. I don't know what I am doing. Someone suggested me to try Arch Linux, so I don't know. Arch Linux install. I will go with, I don't know which one should I choose. I will choose second video. Which one is lower? First one is lower. First one I will choose. How to install Arch Linux step by step of beginners. I will choose first one. See, I will see. My internet is in.
Video, I'm going to show you how to install Arch Linux on your computer in just a few minutes.
It's by KSK Royal.
For how to quickly install and set up Arch Linux with your favorite desktop environment on any PC or laptop.
Hello there. I am trying to install Arch Linux on my laptop, and I have no idea. This is what he did. Oh. And this is my first time installing Arch Linux on my laptop. Someone suggested me, and I was mostly a Windows or Mac user, so I don't know, and I have no clue or no idea what I am doing. So I try to. I am mostly like software developer. Mainly, I am C# programmer. I love .NET, and I am very good at .NET. Other than that, all things are like AI coded, vibe coded. I do my other jobs using vibe coded. If like it is other than C#, then I do vibe coding. Otherwise, manual coding. If it is C#, I am. But yes, anyone can do .NET. Pretty far, like everyone has its own perspective of their language, and I believe to me C# is my like, I don't understand JavaScript. I know like I can read JavaScript language, but I can't code. I can't code in JavaScript. Like if someone leave me on another planet, there is no any internet connection, I would not able to write any JavaScript code. I am mostly a .NET guy, so I have not used Node.js and MongoDB. I have used MongoDB with C#, but I haven't tried Node.js or Node, any JavaScript framework. And if I am using any JavaScript framework, then totally it is vibe coded. Thank you for watching though. I don't think this will be any useful in terms of Arch Linux, but Uh, Earlier I was using cursor cursor, and now I am using cloud code. And also, like, I am trying to be less dependent on AI. Earlier I, like, uh, 2 or 3 months ago, for past like 6 or 7 months, I have not used uh, any, like, I have not manually coded. So then I realize I am losing my coding experience. So then after I am trying to less utilize coding tools. Yes, cloud code is good uh, in terms of I am I don't know. In terms of like, if you say if my position is software engineer, is they say software engineering, but like I am not good at software engineering. Mostly, I am researcher, the kind of thing. Uh, let's say we have any kind of problem. How can I solve that one? That is the part which I do most. I am good at, and with the help of AI, it is very easy for me to. Uh, what do I say? Mm, Achieve that goal. Like, for example, let's suppose I have to download something on internet, and earlier I had to manually code, but now I can. Earlier I have to use some kind of other software and tools, but I can now just write program, and with the help of AI, it is like, uh, let's say you will able to download some application in 5 minutes. Within like less than 5 minutes, you will able to code and download a whole the thing within your, like, using programming language or directly. No need to install any other software, I believe, and that kind of thing. This is one example, but there may be lots and lots of different kinds of example, right? Oh, I'm in the mid 28, and like, I have my, like, my first laptop, first time I have, like, touched computer or that kind of stuff is 4 years ago, and with my job, and currently I'm working at, I'm not going to say which company I'm working at, but it is a UK based company, uh, and I'm working as a remote full time remote employee. So I do work from home. I don't know what to say. And which company you are from? Like, do you also do are you in, like, software engineering field, or are you studying? Yes, this is my actually second remote company. First one, in my first company, I don't know, they fired me or what, I don't know, or like, and they put me in PIP or something like that one. Maybe they fired me. So in my second company, actually first company, I was in like live site, on site working. But in my second company, I was working as a remote, but after few months they fired me. And this is my third company. Yeah, software engineering, I am working remote in Dubai company. Oh, good. Dubai is very great in terms of salary and stuff. And the third company which I am working is like fully remote, and this one is by far the, like, best in terms of work culture and that kind of stuff. I do not need to worry about any kinds of thing. Like, how much experience do you have? Oh, you are from Pakistan. Okay. How much experience do you have? Layoffs are very very common in IT. Yes, it is very common. I have been laid off 2 times actually. On my first company also, like, as soon as I knew that they are going to lay off, and I started working in a fourth semester. So currently I have 6 plus. I don't understand what you are trying to say. I started working in a fourth semester, so currently I have 6. Okay, you are saying you have 6 plus year of experience. I have 4 and something, and uh, uh, it is very bad idea in terms of where I live. I am living in India, and multiple jobs is very bad for, because like it appears on my pen card and that kind of stuff. When working remotely, you can do multiple. Uh, you mean in terms of I don't know. I can apply for multiple companies because that one is very bad in terms of what I have signed on agreement and that kind of stuff. So I can't do multiple jobs. But if you say like personal work and that kind of things, that one is like obviously pretty good. And in terms of productivity, like in this company I have also worked 2 months, no sorry, 2 or 3 months in work from home, work from office. I have earlier worked in work from office, and compared to the productivity level, I believe when I was working in office, I was working my potential to the like 20%. Now I am, what I'm like giving company is like more than what I was doing in work from office. I am trying to create my own business. Like I do not want to, like I have no plan to work in IT sector for a long time. I had actually I had IT sector. I don't want to work on full time on computer. Health purpose, like health is very like, I don't have good health in terms of my screen monitoring and like less moving and that kind of stuff. Yes, like a long term perspective, business is good, and with the current scenario, it is also like business is very good in terms of like if I do business, and then I don't have to my children don't have to worry about like job and that kind of stuff, right? And this can go on and on with family, as a family. And like, and they also less hire more experienced people because of a higher income. I don't know how do you say, but yes.
Treasure, I will be installing Arch Linux on my laptop running the
Are you also using Arch Linux or what? This is my first time. I don't know. But what about you? Yes. Like business is always like, okay, you use Mac and Windows. I was a Windows user. The currently the one where I am installing, I bought this laptop like on 2019. Sorry, uh, 2021 or something. I don't know. Remember, but like this is my oldest laptop, and this is my first and oldest laptop, approx 2021. Or and this is my Mac. Recently this year I bought this Mac, and this one is 1 minute. And this one is MacBook Pro M5, and I bought this laptop this year, and now I am mostly a Mac user and trying to learn command line interface. So that's why I am trying to like I am trying to ditch Windows technically. I don't want to depend on Windows, and only things I am like dependent on is the .NET, which is created by Microsoft, and other than that, I am trying to avoid as much as possible Microsoft, or what do you say? Yes, but WSL is great in, but I am trying to avoid Microsoft product, because there was one tools in .NET which I liked like very much. It was, let me show you what it is called. It is called POLY. It was called Polyglot Notebook, right? And this is the Polyglot Notebook. This is a tool created by Microsoft, which I liked like really, and I was using like 2 or 3 hours daily on these tools, and it was very productive in terms of what I do. But funnily enough, Microsoft tried to like Polyglot will be deprecated, and Microsoft tried to like, oh, here is your surprise, I am not going to support this product, and this product is going to vanish in within let like 1 week or something. So on that day, actually, uh, if I remember exactly, this was announced on 24 February, and after the announcement I got so frustrated. Then after I uh, uh, go to my like visited my nearest Apple store and bought M5 and remove everything related to .NET other than C#, obviously, because that is my job. So other than that, I am trying to avoid everything related to Microsoft. And also like Microsoft has tendency to Microsoft creates very good product, but in a few days, let's say like 5 years, 6 years, they will say, no, I am not going to support this product, you have to do what you have to do, I don't care. So this is the things I was so frustrated that I I wiped out my like whole Windows, and now I am trying to install Arch Linux, and I don't know will I will able to like complete this in one day or not. Generally, I have heard on internet like it takes. Do you have hands-on deployment like GCP or AWS? I have used in company. It is using AWS, so yes, I have like deployed a project which was based on Next.js plus .NET, and we were using Jenkins for the CI/CD pipelines. Yes, I have deployed to on AWS, and GCP for personal project. I have deployed not in terms of what do we say, not in terms of organization or like a company, but personally I have deployed to GCP, and I use a lot of GCP tools. For example, say like accessing personal things, like with the help of AI. I create many tools to help me, like for example, accessing Google Drive and that kind of stuff using app rather than its application. It's like Google application, and creating some kinds of personal application to manage expenses and that kind of stuff. Like funny, I do experiment a lot, so for that kind of things, Google provide enough like free resources. So I use mostly Google Cloud. And one time not since I am a .NET developer, and if you are on Windows and you are a .NET developer, then deploying to Azure is like one click. In Visual Studio, it is very easy to deploy. Like you have to right click in like let's suppose you have created one web application, and in order to publish on Azure, it is like let me say calculate how much click it will take. 1, 2, 3, 4, less than 8 click, like manually on Visual Studio itself. Like for example, Visual Studio Code itself, not in Visual Studio Code, but in Visual Studio 2022 or 2026. It will take like less than 6 steps to deploy, and it will be live on cloud, and you can use uh, if it is .NET. If it is not .NET, then I have not tried in that scenario, or like not have experience in that case, so I am not able to answer you how much step it will take. But yes, I have experience in almost like in terms of .NET, Azure, in terms of personal project GCP, and in terms of AWS, in terms of enterprise application AWS. Yes, I have used this. I also work on mobile application. I do not work on mobile application, but for my personal thing, I have created many application which I use personally on my mobile for my like personal work. Yes. Since like with the help of AI, I think it is very easy to create any kind of application right now. I believe I think you will also agree. I don't know, but it is very easy, and it is like I think now it is software engineering is going to be very harder in terms of creativity, not in terms of implementation, I believe. And software developer is going to be erased, but software engineering is going to stay, and it will definitely stay. Developer parts is like gone, I think, because all the things AI is inference memory or something like that one AI can develop, but engineering part AI is not good at engineering. Developing part it is very good, I believe. I don't know what is your own thought on AI. Like engineering is difficult compared to development, and currently LLM is able to like I don't think I should say something like this one, but LLM will eradicate a developer, software developer, not software engineer. Software engineer is very hard, and it is going to be hard. I don't think with our current inference like regression model or like LLM is what prediction. LLM is basically prediction model, so it is. I don't think it is going to replace, but I don't know. Or not. Let me continue with the installation process.
Dedicated and concept. If you prefer to install Arch alongside Windows 11 on the same drive, I have included a link to the video in the description. GB or higher website, then choose the closest.
Basically, software engineering will stay, but I notice companies just say we are using AI first. Even I wasn't hired in final interview because they thought I am not. Who the? I think my goat will able to do programming like you. My goat, like literally, my goat will able to able to use AI to create programmings, I think. If someone is like filtering out you based on, hey, you are not good at using AI, I don't think so. Everyone is good at this one. This is ridiculous. Like if someone is saying I am discarding you, like I am not selecting you because you are not good at using AI. What the heck you are talking about? If you say I am not able to do some kind of binary inversion on red tree or something, red tree black tree, arbitrary or something like that one, I will agree on that one. If you are saying I am not good at using AI, what the heck, I will replace you if you have time. Oh, I am currently in product based company. This is my second product based company actually. First one was service based company, and there I was uh, 2 year and 2 months I worked on there, and actually not work there. Actually, I was there, but I was working on my personal project. I haven't worked on anything in their company. I was on bench entire time, and and after that I switched to another product based company. It was also Europe based company and also remote, and I was the first one who got hired from India actually. Not first one. There was three another people also working from India, but yes, I was the few of the one which I was working on that. I think product base is much okay as compared to service, but service will learn. It depends on like depends on project you are working on. Most of the service based company works are very lame. I was there, and uh, I was on like service based company for 2 year and 2 months. Why I'm saying this, because like for like in that span of time, I got to like I got more than 6 times from the like a manager or something. Can you? They proposed me. Are you interested in working on this project and these projects? And all the things were like same bad project, and I didn't want to work on that one, because that one if with our current situation, that work can be like totally eliminated using AI. So I don't have like good perspective of service based company in terms of working, but the current company which I am working on is like they have given me like full on experimentation mode. I am fully on experimentation. I mostly do experiment things and create a lots and lots of things using AI, and I do a lots of experiment, and so I don't know. It depends on like if you. I think I think mostly depends on person. If it is service based or it is like product based company, uh, if person is working like very well, like interested in working on some funny stuff, then they will able to understand. Otherwise it is boring work in service based. And in product based, if it is like starting of the project, then you will learn a lot. Otherwise uh, you will also learn a lot, but not in compared to if it is starting. And in this company I have started 2 projects, so I have good experience in currently in product based company. And one project I was solely working on in this company with the help of AI, and there was one AI and other was me, and there was another person who was manager. So with 3 person only, uh, we were able to like fully uh, ship to production, and it is being currently used inside company. So and it has almost like 60% reduce the employee. I don't want to say, but like yes, that product has very helpful in terms of company. It is very useful for company. So if you do experiment, like try to create I what I think is like best way of learning is try to create uh, a lots of self baseless product, like doesn't provide any meaning, and don't know, you will not know like when this project is going to be useful. And because I'm saying, because like there was one project which I was working personally as a pet project, and in my company uh, I was working on something, and I saw exactly like the needs of my project. So then I share with my manager, and he also like it and approved it. Now it is being used in company. So you will never know like when your some project is going to be very useful.
And download the latest ISO image.
One thing I am very bad at
Next,
is
download Rufus
marketing
from
stuff.
its
I
official
am very
website.
bad at marketing stuff, and also like my YouTube channel is very chaotic. Sometimes random stuff. Everything is random stuff. I don't care about like what people is going to watch or not watch, and my target is to make as much as video possible as possible. Like sometimes I play games, sometimes now this time I am talking and trying to install, but I am currently not. It is fully chaotic, and there is no any specific thing related to my channel. So no, currently not. I am not married.
See,
One, one thing I have found, like in all the internet like related to Arch Linux, they all try to install using Rufus. Like they try to, what do you say, a boot menu, create boot menu using Go. Thank you for watching though. Okay, bye.
and except to start creating.
I will watch my tutorial and then.
Arch. This would take some.
Okay, where am I?
Right, UV boot menu. If it doesn't boot automatically, open the UV boot menu and manually select the Arch installation media. Now, on your monitor, you will see a terminal expecting for the input. Keep in mind that the mouse functionality is disabled and you need to rely on it.
Okay, now I have like got base tutorial, and this one is by KSK Royal, and it is very small tutorial, and hope I am able to follow up this tutorial. And currently I have set partition level. Let me see, where am I?
Keyboard.
He is setting send font.
And type this command to increase the size of the console. Before installing Arch Linux, make sure your computer is connected to the internet.
Let me see my internet. I'm connected to ping -c 5 times 8.8.8.48, right? Google is 48. Wait a minute, what it is saying? Come on, shipping, what? Yes, okay. Currently I'm mounted to NVMe N1, okay, 238 gigabit of memory card.
If you are here and ensure is content to see the list of and second format the drive and use it for the
LSB-LK, okay. What is this term means? LSB-LK. Huh.
Arch install it. More information about the drives. In my case, dev SDA is more. You can also use the fdisk command to see more information or replace SDA with your drive identifier. In the GDISC, press X and hit return to enter the export mode. Then press Z to erase the drive.
Oh my god.
Now at this point, the drive SDA should be brand new and free of any partitions.
What does it say? I have to G disk 1 minute. Quit. Okay, G disk. Hope I am not going to G disk /dev/SDA. Okay.
In the G disk, press X and hit return to enter the export mode. Then press Z to erase the drive.
Goodbye, my
Now at this point, the drive SDA should be brand new and free of any partitions.
goodbye, my disk.
Then type this command to synchronize the package.
Pacman, PSC-man Pacman, heart of this thing, and it is, I don't know, SY. Pacman or Pacmac. Oh no. PSC-man SY. Okay.
Database and install Arch Linux keyring by typing this command.
Pacman, PSC-man. Pacman what? What does S stands for? I don't know. I'm just blindly typing. Arch Linux key ring. What does this mean? Okay, let's go with Y. Trust me, bro, guy. I'm just following
By
YouTube.
default, Arch ISO comes with the Arch install package. If the package is not installed or outdated, you can run this command instead.
Pacman Ash for install. What does this mean? Wait a minute. Why are you not in my frame? Yes, now it is in frame. Arch install Arch INSTA. Wait a minute. What did I type? Do you want to proceed with installation? Yes, I definitely want. Now something is happening. I don't know what is happening. Is this fast or what? I'm confused. It finished like in a second.
It's time to install Arch Linux. Just go ahead and
Oh, it was set up instruction. I don't know. Arch. I'm not even able to type correct spelling, and I'm installing Arch Linux. Wow. Hey, nothing is happening. Yes, fetching Arch Linux package database.
run the Arch installer by typing Arch install and press enter. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the options and press enter to select.
Okay. Everything is okay. No. I will go with default. When I have more experience, like warning, no network configuration selected. Network configuration. here. Audio network configuration. Okay. Missing configuration, disk configuration. Okay, missing disk configuration, either root password or at least one user within disk configuration. Disk configuration. Okay. Now this looks like AG. I don't. Oh no, so much. Hey, hi there. This is my first time installing Arch. I use I'm, I'm a mainly Windows and a Mac guy. This is my first time installing Arch. So first time using Linux. Not first time using Linux, but in terms of Arch Linux, yes, this is my first time. And I have not experienced any experience in Fedora. I have heard of Fedora, but I have not used Fedora. I have used Ubuntu earlier. Yes, I am Indian. I believe you are also Indian. Fellow Bhartiya, okay. I believe you are also Soham Mistri.
Then set the system language. Then choose your local.
And there is ongoing cheat.
First three options.
There is ongoing cheating processes going on. I am following up YouTube video. Otherwise, I was stuck. First, I tried to go berserk like Giga Chart mode. Within a few seconds, I was feeling like SpongeBob. I don't know what to say. Then I search on it. Yes, on internet it is like Arch is very tough. Yes, I know. I was mostly Windows guy, then switched to Mac. Then I am going like as a primary window, it will be Mac. As a secondary, it will be like I can't install anything in this laptop, right? I can install, but like it is very bad. On my like Windows, I am using now like removing anything related to Windows now. It is going to be a Arch, and hoping I would able to like get more and more confidence over command line rather than GUI. Yes, I have few experience in Vim. So in Mac, I am like in Mac I totally use mostly using command line. Like Mac is very bad at UI stuff. It looks very good, but it is very bad. Mac like file system and that kind of stuff is on Mac is very bad. In Windows, it is very great compared to all the OS. Windows has very great file system, and there is one application which came into light. Like for example, if you say File Pilot, I would recommend. But question is. Okay, you are in college level, so I think you should probably buy Mac and get as far as possible with Windows. I would not recommend Windows. Try to use Mac, and I don't know. Since you are like also Indian, and luckily I have like few days ago, like on February I bought MacBook, and now the MacBook price which I bought is like, price of this MacBook is 3 lakh. It is like a very, but I can do drug designing on Mac as software not available. Okay, and then I would recommend you to build custom PC, but uh, SSD and RAM price is going to be very reasonable, because SSD and RAM price is getting higher and higher. I had bought one SSD on 17,000, and the same SSD price is 67,000. So SSD is not. I don't think so. In nearly like, it is going to be cheap in near future. I don't think so. Maybe 5 or 6 year later, after 5 or 6 year, but recent, I don't think this is going to be a cheap one, because like one of my friend was waiting for, like, on October I told him to buy SSD, and how much, like, you are planning to have, for example, your budget? What is your budget level in terms of buying? And then I will recommend you might like or not like, but from my perspective I will recommend 80k. 80k. Try to buy Mac Mini. Let me show you. This is Mac. Try to buy this, and I believe this one is going to be very cheaper, but it will be very hard in terms of portability. It is not good at portability, and with 80k, I believe. 1 minute, let me check on internet. You are saying you are going to buy MacBook Pro M1 Pro. M1 Pro. 1 minute. One minute. Huh? Hello. 1 minute. I'm just looking into internet, comparing of like M1 with another software. BioVia. 1 minute. BioVia. Generative AI for every scientist. Refine how fast you can launch new products. NVIDIA partnerships. Okay. Are you working on this company, or like, are you interested in this field, or like you are from medical team? It is very sad that all the software are mostly designed for Windows. This is definitely going to change in near future, but currently we have all the software related to Windows. That is what actually I'm saying. Like, I was just saying, like, are you in software engineering, or like, so you are doing B Pharma drugs design? Okay. Which college you are from? Like currently you are in doing B Pharma, right? Like currently need like exam of NEET is very bad, right? Select main file system EX for what do I choose? Oh, I was looking for M1 Pro versus M4. Uh, something is good. Oh, Jalpaiguri. Something is good with M1 processor, and something is very bad. If you get like in less than 40K, then I would recommend you to buy M1 Pro. Other than that, I would definitely recommend you to buy M4 or more than M4. Like the one laptop which I showed you, this one is M5, and the one Mac Mini I have showed you, that one is M4, and I would recommend you to like buy M4 and more, and in cheaper you will get Mac Mini, and only thing you will like compromise with, only compromise you will get is uh, um, there will be no any screen, and you have to like some kind of setup like for example there will be one desktop. It is not portable, right? Mac Mini, compared to laptop it is portable, so there is one that issue. And best approach like with 80K is buy Mac Mini, and Mac Mini will be very uh, Mac Mini price. Mac Mini is like you can, it is getting tougher and tougher. Mac Mini like but you can get Mac Mini. Oh no, the one which I bought, the one which I showed you, that mini Mac Mini I bought in like for example 49K, and now it is like 94,000. It is going very like rapidly. Oh no, Mac Mini is also difficult. M4 16 or okay, bye. Try to one thing keep in mind, if you are buying like Mac related stuffs, try to get at least 1 terabyte of storage, because that one is going to be a pain. Oh, I'm software engineer. I work in like software industry, or I don't know what to say. This is my third company, second product based company, and third, this is my third company. I have switched, and I have experience of 4.5 years. Okay, bye, cool. I am going to continue with my installation process. Oh no, I am getting distracted. Have a look into Mac Mini, and then please decide, because in Mac Mini you can install, if you have more storage you can install VM by Broadcom, and in there you can install Windows, and that window is going to be faster than what you, if you buy like PC or something. And I have tried and I have experienced like Windows is much faster in Mac than Windows itself. So with Mac you can install Windows also as a virtual machine. So just saying, you can, but by the way it's your totally depends on you, right, what you want to buy or something.
The default values. Next, choose disk configuration. Select partitioning and choose the first option. Then choose the drive you want to install Arch. In my case, it's Dev SDA. Then select your drive by pressing either the space bar or the tab key. You will see an asterisk between the square brackets indicating that the drive has been selected. Choose the BTRFS or the exFAT file system. You can also create a separate home partition if you want.
I have to choose, let me choose expat. Okay, let me, would you like to create separate partition for home? Yes. And then after what? Then after I have to watch.
Then choose back to return to the main menu. Megahertz and enable swap.
Okay, then back, then swap, enable. Okay, then bootloader is enabled. Okay, by the way, if you like to prototype things quickly, you will love. 1 minute. By the way, if you like to prototype things quickly, you will love Arch. First I have to get like familiar with Arch. Now the installation process is quite some. But yes, I have heard of like on internet about the Arch, just trying to install Arch, then get to familiar with terminals, and then install most of the things. And this PC can only now supports Linux and only large Arch Linux, because like Arch Linux consumes very less memory and that kind of stuff, and this PC is totally dead. That's why I'm trying to install. And I am using cheat code here, YouTube video. Otherwise, this will going to be a infinity timeline video. I don't know. Just joking.
And select Refined. Then choose bootloader.
Then bootloader. Okay. Wait a minute.
And select Refined.
Select refined. What do you mean by refined?
Then choose bootloader and select Refined.
Bootloader. Not this one. Okay.
If you want, you can install extra card.
Okay. It is saying like in YouTube, or like it was saying refined. I was trying to find what does refined means. It is enabled. Okay. And now I can go back. Then after.
For now, I'll stick with the default one. Then set the hostname as Arch Linux and set
Hostname kernel Linux, hostname Arch Linux, authentication. It will be totally open.
the password for the root user.
Oh no, I have to set up password. It will be as simple as this one. RWT root. Confirm RWT root. Yes. Very secure password. And that one is also on live, so it is too much two-factor authenticated safer. Username. I have to also select username. What the heck? Add user. This will be let me see root. RWT. RWT. Yes.
For elevator privileges. Once it's done, scroll down and select Confirm and Exit.
Okay.
It's time to install the desktop environment. Select Profile and choose Desktop.
Okay. Profile. Type. Desktop. Oh no. Invert. I don't know what do I have to choose in this one. Let me again resume my video.
Arch install offers a variety of options. But for this demonstration, we will choose GNOME Desktop.
Okay. I will choose GNOME. I have watched one video in which like Linus where I don't know GNOME or what Fedora. Linus is using Fedora. Mint, I believe Mint. I forgot. I don't. Hyperland. GNOME tweak. Which one should I choose? Any one of you guys? Any of you guys recommend to choose any specific tools? I don't know which one should I choose. Let me search over internet and see which is the best Arch desktop environment. Arch based desktop environment. Which desktop environment do you recommend? This is from the KDE Plasma is nice if you come from Windows background. No, I am not going to use Windows thing. KDE is best by far none. No, anyways. Okay. I will choose GNOME. I don't know which one should I choose. GNOME Hyperland installed package Dolphin Dunst. How do I spell this one? Dunst. DUNST. Hyperland Kitty. All words are like first time I'm hearing this one. KD Plasma. I'm trying to be as minimal as possible because my PC is not going to handle anything. Let me choose GNOME. Hope this is going to be easy. I don't know. Or Hyperland. No, I'll choose GNOME itself.
And select graphic drivers you want to install. If you have Intel iGPU, choose Intel Open Source.
Graphics driver. My PC is based on AMD. And which option should I choose? This is not NVIDIA, and my PC is based on AMD, and also the graphics card installed in this laptop is AMD RX 560X. Well, sorry, I have RX 560. I don't know. So I will go with Open, I believe. Oh, first one is AMD. What was I thinking? Oh no.
And if you have AMD GPU, choose AMD Open Source. If you are using brand new NVIDIA GPU, now would enable Bluetooth from Apple.
Now this part is done. Application. I believe this one is a bad way to install Arch Linux if you are Arch fan. And by the way, this is the first time, so I have no complaints in this helpful unified way of installing.
Next, enable Bluetooth from applications and select Hypewire as your audio server. If you're installing it on a laptop, choose the port management and use the first option. Use the port management, and if you're installing it on a laptop, choose the port.
No, there is not going to be any printer. Power profile dim.
Management and use the first option. You can install additional fonts.
Do I need firewall or not?
You can install additional fonts.
How do I select? Space to toggle. Okay, I will install all things. Then I will go back.
Next, go to network configuration.
And I believe like Arch Linux is going to be pretty much good in terms of using AI tools, because all the two AI tools are using. Wait a minute, my PC, my mobile is very only 2% left, and where is my charger? My mobile, my camera is going to be dead. Wait a minute. Yes, now it is charging.
And choose the IWD packet. And lastly, set your time zone.
Network configuration copy from my okay. Pacman is true. Additional package. What did I choose? I don't know. Oh no. I will go back. How do I go back? Escape maybe. Quit. Escape or cancel. Okay. UTC automatic time sync enable. UTC not UTC. I am in India, Kolkata region. Okay, Indian. Wait a minute. I have seen this first time. Europe, Asia, Kolkata maybe. I don't know. Australia, Asia. Time zone. Where is my time zone? Man. What the heck with this kind of name? I don't know which one should I choose. Iceland. Oh no. Let me choose randomly. Oh no. I am saying randomly, but I am still choosing manually. Asia, okay. India is in Asia, right? Kathmandu is there, Karnataka is there. Oh, where the heck is India? Wait a minute. Asia, Kolkata. Oh. I believe the hardest part is selection of time zone.
And that's it. These are the only options you need to enable to make it work. Next.
Okay, let me save configuration. Save or oh no, password is but too much information. Oh, this is saving as a JSON file. Okay.
Select install and wait for a few minutes for the script to perform its magic. Once it's done, you will see a prompt for post installation. Then select this option to enter the CH root environment and start setting up your brand new Arch installation. It's time to install some GUI applications like Firefox, LibreOffice, and other essential packages.
Something is going on. I don't know what is going on.
After that, exit the CH root environment. Once it's done, shut down your system by running this command and remove the USB drive. Turn on your system and you will see the predefined boot manager. And from here, you can boot into Arch Linux. And that's pretty much it. And that's how you can install CPU prompt for host.
Wait a minute, some kind of funny thing happened. Could not create user installation guide. See Arch root mount USD user root returned non-zero exists 9. A file log has been created. Wait a minute. Python error. Oh no. Oh no.
Once it's done, you will see a prompt for post installation. And select this option to enter the CH root environment and start setting up your brand new Arch installation.
Failed attempt. What do I do right now? My mouse is not working. Oh no, again I have to install, select everything from start. This is my second attempt to install in this video itself. First time I got Python error, and hoping I will get again that kind of error. If I get, then I will take the help of AI. Wait a minute, where is my internet? Again I got same kind of error. Could not create user inside installation command arch root. 1 minute. GPT is not working. I don't know. I'm trying to send command. Oh no. Okay. Hope this times it succeed. uh, on suggestion, like on searching on internet and GPT answered like I forget to run PC pack strap. I don't know. I tried and now I am again rerunning whole thing from scratch. Hopefully this time I will able to install. I think I have to stop my streaming because I have to go somewhere else, and I will continue with my process next time. I have no idea what it is writing. Same thing happens when I use LLM or GPT or like AI. Just blindly accepting whatever it is doing. Okay. Uh, Again, I got the same kind of error. Could not create user inside installation command. This one return non-zero exist status line. Okay, bye. I will try next time. It was like I was sure that I will not able to install with my first attempt and this is going as per expectation. So okay, bye. Thank you for watching though. Bye. I will continue installing next time, or maybe on live or not, I don't know.